Of course, I'm back here and I'm looking at this here. So I got some bee balm at home. I'm not grabbing this one. I just wanted to ride it around with me so I can see what would match nice with it. I kind of think I like this here. The yellow contrast with the red and how flowy and different it is from, the foliage is different. So I'm thinking of this maybe. So I really like this with this. I do like the bee balm too, so we're looking at this here. This is the Huchera plum pudding. I had these. They didn't do too well in my front yard, but I didn't really care for them properly, so I'll see what I have to do with that. I'm still looking at other colors. Maybe that. All right, so this is where I'm at. I have a lot of wispy things I find, and I'm looking for something that would break in it like this, but there's only one left. I know I could separate it and just wait and be patient, but I would have liked to have some. I'm getting maybe some of this here. I have some at home, and that I can separate also. And it grows pretty fast. So maybe I'll just grab that. I don't know, it just seems all fluffy. I'd like something that would be a little more like giving it a break for the eye. I'm still looking. See, I have these at home. Look how tall they get. Look how tall they are. They're planted in the ground. They are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I have these at home. And I'm gonna plant this with my gigantic grasses in the back next year. Okay, so I have a full day ahead of me. We're going to be planting all of this today. Well, I'm hoping to. And I'm not sure if this is going to be one video or if it's going to be two videos. But I got a few plants here and I'm going to take them out and I'm going to explain to you exactly which plants are what and how I'm thinking of getting this done. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so we'll start off here with some sedum. I got sedum Rock and Grow Midnight Velvet. I absolutely love the foliage on this here. It is dark purple. And I'm anxious this is supposed to get quite large, and I'm anxious to see it without its flowers actually, just to see what the foliage looks like. But I really like the idea of the dark. I am so in love with sedum, guys. I discovered this year. I mean, I had some here without really knowing what it was, the name of the plant. This is the one I had. This one here, it's more pink. Oh, we have a little visitor. A little butterfly. Hello, butterfly. Isn't it pretty? So yeah, this is the sedum that I transplanted from the side of my house. Transplanted it just this summer, so of course this is a new area. So yeah, I wanted to get this darker one. I just found it to have a lot of punch, and I liked it with this nice. I think this is Coreopsis, is that it? Yeah, this is Coreopsis. Coreopsis moonbeam. So apparently this is supposed to be flowering all summer. Of course, if I deadhead some of these flowers, it'll help. When you take the spent flower off, you just cut it off, it helps to refocus energy on making more blooms. So I got that. This one here, I'm not remembering the name of this. What is this again? I have 3 other ones in the front yard here. This is the Huchera plum pudding. Huchera. I was called my sister a while ago, and I was calling it the hoochie something, the hoochie mama something. But I really like this dark color and foliage with, look how pretty that is together. So, oh, don't you dare fall. Get back up, sit them there for a while. I got this also, which I found out because I have one of these, and it just, as it grows, it just falls over, and then it's not as fluffy. It just falls over because it gets too big, but you can cut it. Apparently it was just cut not long ago. And this is called, oh my God, what is that? Artemisia silver mound. This grows, it's crazy how much this grows. I'll show you the one that I have that I just planted here by the pond in the spring. The size of this, guys, I kid you not, was maybe about this big. And this is what grew. This is what grew. It is crazy. But the thing is I have not had any flowers, and I've had this for a while now. There are flowers growing. This is the first time it grows flowers. It is so, so soft. It's crazy. Okay, back to the backyard, the back garden. Okay, so I think I mentioned in my last video that I got these here. These are bee balm. Monarda bee balm. Monarda be happy, you be happy. Monarda be, you be happy. Yeah, so I have 3 of them. The flowers are almost done. I'm gonna plant these today. Thing is, this one broke, but apparently it's fine. You cut it down in the fall, and then in the spring, I'll have one beautiful plant. This one here needs water. It does need water here. Oh my God, what's this called? Lysimachia namula. That must be Latin. Not too sure what the other more friendly name would be, but this grows. You can plant them in baskets, or it just will crawl, and it grows fast apparently. So I really liked that color with the bee balm here, because it really goes and cuts, you know, into instead of having all the same color, because there's a lot of the same green going on over here. So this will be in front for sure because it's a ground cover. It's low. All right, last but not least, my sister said this was called catmint. She says she thinks it's catmint. Give me a second. Oh, where's the name? Oh, I hope. Hang on, guys. Oh, yes, I do have one. Okay, so this is called Nepeta Walker S. Low. Walker's Low or Walker S. Low. Nepeta. Is Nepeta catmint? Let me know down in the comments. I'll probably go check, but let me know if this really is catmint here. So I got 3. I really would love to create one big bush of this stuff. It's just so pretty, and it flowers. Does it flower all summer? Oh, June and July. You know, it's right now it's mid-September here as I'm filming this, 2025, which will be posted later on in the next year. So I'm filming in advance. So yeah, this is June and July, but right now it's mid-September and they're still flowering. But it, you know, it comes from a nursery, so that might have been boosted or something for it to be flowering now. But yeah, I gotta figure out an arrangement how I want to put all this together. There's a lot of fluffiness going on, and I really want to figure out how I want to do it. If I want to do it a little more like a natural or a little more controlled, I'm not sure how I want to do this. One thing is for sure is I want to plant pretty much everything around this side and leave this here. If it doesn't work, I may be moving some plants onto the other area. But the reason why I want to leave this here is because I'm planting a tree here. And it will be a small, I would like a small Japanese maple, something that grows maybe 6 feet, 7 feet tall. Something not too big, but I would love some sort of pretty tree here. And that won't take up, cast too much of a shadow on these beautiful flowers. And if it does, we can always move stuff. So let's get these in the ground. I'm gonna start digging, get my gloves on, and we're gonna start working.